In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to your organization in make.com. First, open make.com in your browser and head to your organization dashboard. If you're prompted to sign in, do that with your usual credentials. You'll need the right permissions to invite users. So if you don't see the options I'm about to show, check with your organization's owner or admin to make sure your access is sufficient. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top area of the page for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as a More or Actions menu. Click those three dots to reveal additional organization options. From that menu, choose Invite User. This opens the invitation form where you'll add the person's details and define their access. In the email field, enter the work email address of the user you want to add. It's best to use a company-managed address to keep access consistent and auditable across your teams. Take a second to double-check spelling. Invitations won't arrive if the address isn't correct. Next, enter the person's name. This is how they'll appear across your organization in make.com, so type the full name with the correct capitalization to make it easy for teammates to recognize them. Now, select a role, choose the level of access that matches what this person needs to do. Higher access roles can manage sensitive organization settings and users, while more limited roles focus on building automations and collaborating within shared workspaces. If you're unsure, start with the least access needed for their responsibilities and only increase it if necessary. This helps protect your data and workflows. There's also a note field. Use this to give helpful context that appears with the invitation. For example, mention the team they're joining, the projects or folders they'll work in, or any first steps they should take after accepting the invite. A short, clear note makes onboarding smoother and reduces back and forth. When everything looks right, click Save. Make.com will send an invitation email to the address you entered, and the user will show as pending until they accept. They'll only gain access to your organization after they click the link in that email and complete the process. If they don't see the invite, ask them to check their spam or junk folder and confirm that the email address was typed correctly. That's it. You've successfully invited a user to your make.com organization. Before you move on, a quick best practice. Always review the role you assign and keep permissions aligned with the person's actual responsibilities. You can adjust access later if their role changes. Thanks for watching and happy automating.